Another one of the top 5 reasons for upgrading to SAP Business One version 8.8 is fixed assets. Fixed assets has been provided in SAP version 8.8 by SAP as a free gift to everyone who upgrades. It's an add-on provided by SAP free of charge. You'll find that it's once installed in the add-on manager folder and can be started in the system simply by highlighting its line and clicking the start button. Once that is done, fixed assets is placed in its own folder within the financials menu, and there within are all of its entry screens and its processes. What is fixed assets and how does it work with Business One? The help file tells us that fixed assets for SAP Business One enables you to manage and monitor your tangible fixed assets within SAP Business One. As a subsidiary ledger to the general ledger in financial accounting, the Fixed Assets add-on provides you with detailed information on all transactions involving fixed assets. Moreover, using the standard reporting in SAP Business One, fixed asset specific data can be evaluated and processed. Fixed Assets is seamlessly integrated with the standard component financials. Fixed Assets itself calculates planned depreciations according to the costs of acquisition and production, as well as the useful life, and performs the relevant postings in the general ledger. This Fixed Assets add-on is completely integrated with SAP Business One. You'll find that there are many processes and screens provided to manage fixed assets within the application. One of them is the Fixed Assets Master Data screen, where the primary data and status of every fixed asset is displayed. Another is an acquisition entry screen for fixed assets that are acquired. In addition, there's a credit memo screen, so that if a fixed asset needs to be adjusted, it can be adjusted. There's a retirement screen, so that a fixed asset that needs to be retired because it's reached the ends of its life, maybe it became broken or sold, we can retire it from the system. We can transfer fixed assets, but one must keep in mind that transfers are typically only done at the end of a year, a fiscal year, as it relates to fixed assets. Manual depreciation is provided for, so that if an item needs to be manually depreciated as opposed to following our standard schedule, it may be. A depreciation forecast, which will predict what our schedule and our depreciation formulas will do prior to their hitting the general ledger so that we could make relevant adjustments if necessary. The depreciating run itself, which will actually post these entries to the general ledger as depreciations. An asset history sheet, so that we can look up all of the depreciations that have been conducted against a specific item across its lifetime, and or groups of items, and a fiscal year change, which would be done once a year at the end of a fiscal year as we move into the next year and begin another schedule of depreciation for our fixed assets. A great gift from SAP. Fixed assets integrated completely with SAP Business One in version 8.8.